Your car can't power a blender? Lame. This 2000-watt Wagan inverter turns vehicles into wall sockets. You're halfway to nowhere with a laptop dying, a phone gasping for juice, and a mini fridge that's just sad. Whether you're RVing, tailgating, or fixing stuff in the middle of nowhere, you need real AC power, not some weak plug-in that gives up during a sneeze. Productivity dies when you're limited to your car's sad little 12-volt output. Want to run real tools? Keep food cold? Charge gear without cursing? You're stuck juggling wires, praying to the voltage gods, and wasting time you don't have. Let's be honest, your portable power is just portable pain. Your devices are stacked on your dashboard like a desperate game of Jenga. You've tried those cheap inverters, they overheat, scream in protest, and shut down if you even think about plugging in a microwave. You're tired of choosing between charging your phone or running your CPAP. Meanwhile, your old inverter can't tell a blender from a blow dryer and starts wheezing like a grandpa on a treadmill. And now your road trip, boat outing, or tailgate party is basically a tech blackout. You're frustrated, fried, and frankly, over it. What good is freedom if your gear can't even turn on? This beast doesn't flinch. The Wagan EL3724 delivers 2000 watts of continuous true-rated power and up to 4500 watts of surge juice, letting you plug in real appliances, yes, even a microwave, without fear of an electrical tantrum. It's compact, high output, and battle-tested, featuring 3 AC outlets, a USB charging port, cooling fans, and built-in safety features like overload, short-circuit, and overheat protection. Whether you're powering a fridge in an RV, gaming in the wilderness, or running your mobile command center, the Slimline 2000 watts is your silent, smart, always-ready sidekick. Think of it as your vehicle's graduate degree in electricity. Plug it in. Mount it tight. Watch it hum to life with glowing LEDs and zero drama. You'll get clean modified sine wave output for your sensitive electronics, and NTG true ground bonding for safety nerds. Twin thermal fans keep it cool under pressure, while the remote control port gives you God-tier command access. It's not just gear, it's liberation. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety and hello to mobile AC power that just works. Simplify your life, amplify your output, and finally enjoy the open road with tech that matches your ambition. You bring the gear, Wagan brings the muscle. Let's not sugarcoat it, without the right inverter, you're basically off-grid without a paddle. But the Wagan Slimline 2000 what changes all that? From tailgates to tool trucks, boats to bug-out bags, this is the inverter that steps up when others melt down. Don't wait for another blackout, meltdown, or camping fail to upgrade. Hit the road with confidence and click Add to Cart now. Because when your gear demands real power, Wagan delivers the voltage and the vibe. And honestly, your blender deserves better. Let's juice up your journey the right way.